My name is Jeff Lucas. I'm the Technical Service Manager at Scheu Kniss. Scheu Kniss is an aftermarket parts supplier for the Rotary tablet press industry. We also support the rebuilding and remanufacturing of our customers' machinery. I've been with the company since 1987, going on 38 years. Tip deflection is a great process of determining exactly how much wear is in your punch board. With a brand new turret and with brand new punches, you can have up to 4,000 tip deflection with the upper punch as it's inside the upper punch board. This is common. Tip deflection is a way to measure that tip deflection using a dial indicator and the punch itself, or you can use one of our kits. Typically, when the tip deflection gets beyond 10 thousandths or 0.010 of an inch, we recommend repairing that turret, whether it be replacing the top section of the turret or just simply boring and bushing the top punch boards, which we do quite often.